What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can buy Pi coins on the Bitget exchange. First off, I want you to know that I'm not a financial advisor and that nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice. If you want to buy any financial asset, you're doing it at your own risk and that's your own decision to do so. And now let's get started. So if you want to purchase some Pi coins through the official channels, this is how you can do it. So of course, to do this you would first need to install Bitget, and I will leave a Bitget link in the description below, through which you will also receive up to 50 euros, dollars or pounds as a sign-up bonus once you create your Bitget account. So once you're on Bitget, you will be on your homepage right here. So to buy some Pi coins from your homepage, you would need to go on the Markets tab right here. And in the search bar, just go ahead and type in Pi. Now here we can select the first pair, that being Pi/USDT, aka Pi USDT pair. Now once you're here, you can just go ahead and click Trade right here. And just make sure that you're on the spot market. You can see that in the upper left corner. So once you're on the spot market, you can input the amount of Pi that you would like to purchase. So let's say 5 Pi. And then you can just click Buy Pi right here. Now, because I don't have any USDT available, because I have only about 50 cents in USDT available, I can't complete this purchase, but I can slide this slider right here, so I can use all of my USDT to purchase 0.29 Pi. Now, once you selected the Pi amount that you would like to purchase, you can just go ahead and click Buy Pi right here. So for me, it says that the limit order must be greater than 1 USDT. So if you don't have enough USDT to complete this purchase, you would need to go to your Assets tab right here and just purchase some USDT with the currencies that you have available right here. Now, once you purchase some USDT, you can just go ahead and click Buy Pi, and then once the transaction is submitted and completed, this amount that you inputted right here will be credited to your account, and you will be able to find it under the Assets tab right here. So as you can see, I have about 2 Pi purchased already. And that's guys how you can buy Pi on the Bitget exchange. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you would like to see other Pi tutorials, you can watch the complete Pi playlist right here. And thank you for watching.